Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand what is a data center, its components, and some common challenges associated with on-premise data centers. Let's get started. Well, to understand what a data center is, let's go back 20 years and see how traditional IT used to work then. You might know that a lot of companies started either from the study room or garage, including Amazon, Apple, and Google, which started from the garage. So the founders of these companies got a computer, put it in their garage or study room, and deployed these websites on the internet. These computers provided the website with underlying hardware required to run the website. And as their business grew, they added more and more computers to meet the demand. This worked well in the beginning, but there were times when the garages were packed with computers and there was no space left to accommodate new computers. So they moved these computers to a bigger space or a building that can accommodate the hardwares based on the demand. Hence, a physical space where organizations keep the computer systems and related hardware required for their websites, apps, or IT infrastructure is known as a data center. Now you will also hear about traditional data centers and on-premises. Don't worry, these are all the same. The terms data center, on-premises, and traditional data center are used interchangeably. So a data center is all about big computers and related hardware that are required to run a website or an app. You can add more systems and hardware based on the growth of your company. This works well, but what are the challenges with the traditional data centers that are making organizations move to the cloud? Let's now talk about these challenges. First and foremost, cost is a major challenge with the traditional data center because setting up a data center needs a huge upfront investment in building, hardware, cooling, power, ventilation equipment, etc. That doesn't end here. You will have to spend a significant amount on the maintenance as well. Another big problem with the data center is capacity planning. They should always be ready to meet the demand, and it's hard to predict the actual hardware requirement. If businesses grow 5 times, we need 5 times more servers. If businesses grow 8 times, we need 8 times more servers. Also, if it does not grow at the expected rate, you will have extra servers. Due to this unexpected demand, most of the time we end up over-provisioning the servers that leads to a waste of computing space, cooling, electricity, etc. At the end of the day, it is all about cost. Staffing and technical skill sets. In addition to the servers and storage, data centers also include applications, connecting cables, network connectivity, cooling systems, power, and much more, with everything running at once. So to monitor the data centers and troubleshoot them during any issue, we need skilled staff, which further leads to additional cost. Now you understand the data center and the challenges of maintaining and running the data center. Is there a way to reduce this hassle of setting up and maintaining a data center? Is it possible to outsource this from a third party? And the answer is yes. This has been done by many organizations as maintaining and running a data center is not their core business. So they work with third-party data center service providers to rent space in the provider's facility to either keep their servers or rent servers from them and pay the service provider for managing their servers. That's a better way to offload some challenges like staffing and training. However, capacity planning and upfront investment would still be major issues. And that's where cloud computing comes to rescue us. because hosting applications and storing data has now become handy, as you do not need to spend on physical space and maintain it regularly. You can get compute, storage, database, and network on demand without having to worry about setting up and maintaining data centers. That's all for this video.